you're doing thank you for music car and
Hi
entertainment
Niharika,
car,
hi
it
Suhani.
should kind of match for wellness as well. हाँ.
Hi guys.
तो मेरी आवाज आ रही है? हेलो।
हाँ अब आ रही है. Yeah.
कूल कूल।
So, guys, we've also changed the layout since our last call. So, before people join in, can I take you through that once, how their entire look would be?
I mean, if you want to, you can. Otherwise, it's okay actually because
Okay, ठीक है, great.
unless you know what you're doing, I think we are all good.
Yeah, we're good. हमने align कर दिया सब.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई stress नहीं.
So, one thing here, Swani, when we are moving from one act to another, we need close to like 5 to 6 seconds just to pin the right people on the frame. तो वो
I'll give you
उस time पे ना आप screen पे होंगे, so you can just keep talking. In that 5 seconds I'll pin the participants.
I'll give you more than that. Don't
Okay,
worry.
great.
I'll
ठीक
make
है.
sure that. I mean, is there any way you can give me a hint that you're ready? तो I'll make sure कि जब तक आप ready हो तब तक मैं बोलूंगी ही नहीं.
Honestly, I genuinely need only 5 seconds. आप
हाँ
5
ठीक है.
seconds के बाद
मैं
start
5
कर
seconds
सकते हो.
से ज़्यादा. What I'll do is I'll say
हाँ,
something
yeah.
for every act
Correct.
and हाँ, don't worry.
ठीक है, done. And
इन
there's this.
केस कुछ हो गया, लाइक आई एम जस्ट सेइंग वर्स्ट केस कि कुछ हो गया
Yeah.
और टाइम जा रहा है, वो मेक श्योर यू इंस्टेंटली मैसेज निहारिका.
Yeah.
निहारिका विल बी अलर्ट. आई विल बी, मेरा व्हाट्सएप ऑन है तो मुझे इंस्टेंटली मिल
ठीक है.
जाएगा और मैं वो कंटिन्यू कर दूंगी बोलना जब तक आप रेडी नहीं हो. तो
Okay.
नॉट दैट कि ऐसा होगा,
Great.
आई एम श्योर अपने रेडी हो जाएगा, कुछ इशू आएगा नहीं, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग एज अ बैकअप प्लान.
Yeah,
सो
makes sense.
नोबडी पैनिक्स, यू नो. इट्स ओके इफ इट्स टेकिंग टाइम.
ठीक है, correct. What you see as live preview, that's going to be what's streaming on the platform.
किधर है लाइव प्रीव्यू?
There is there is a
हाँ,
person, हाँ, जो आप visual उसमें देख रहे हो, नहीं उसका भी sort है. That will be the visual that's going onto the stream that the जनता is watching also.
अच्छा, ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग, आई का जनता का चैट नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगी ना मैं.
नहीं, वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो रहा होगा. आप
ठीक.
जो जिसके साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हो उनका you can see that through Zoom.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. We
Is it
starting at 5:30, right? Oh, sorry, Niharika. Niharika, go on.
No, I was asking, is there a delay between what people will see and what's actually happening?
Yeah, there is a little delay. There'll be around 10 to 15 seconds delay.
Oh, okay, then no problem.
Suhani, can you switch on your camera once? मैं आपको बस पिन कर लेती हूँ in our backend system.
एक सेकंड ना, कर मैं भी चेक कर लेती हूँ मेरा कैमरा भी. दिल ये मेरा कभी ऐसा होता था. Do you want me to zoom out a bit?
Yeah, that'll be great if you could.
Like this or this?
No, the second one. No, what you did second. थोड़ा zoom कर सकते हो अभी, because what I can see your.
That I can cover up. If you want this frame, I'll cover that.
This is good, right?
वो चेयर कवर करना, ब्लू दिख. Understood.
Yeah, understood. But that's because ये उनका green screen है पीछे.
चेयर भी ग्रीन है. ठीक है, this looks good.
Yeah, this looks good.
I'm trying to manage my green screen.
No, that's not a problem because जो आप live preview में देख रहे
यहाँ
हो,
पे
right?
cropped ही है ना.
हाँ.
Correct.
So.
No, but people on screen would be able to see this. But I think this is good.
Yeah.
So yeah. So my chair has a green cover. I think I can remove that because वो टेबल को ओवरलैप कर जाएगा.
Yeah, this looks.
ठीक है. We start by 5:30, right?
Yeah, 5:30. 5:15, everybody will join in. So I will do one small round of briefing to them. And so everybody is on the same page.
ठीक है. I am logged in only. I'm not logging out. I'll just be like all mute and everything. So whenever you want to come, Niharika, just give me a call and I'll be like back here. ये जो डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन है उसके अंदर कॉन्ट्रास्ट इतना बढ़ा हुआ क्यों है?
Sorry, I was talking on mute. Yeah, I'll give you a call. I'll give you a heads up.
Thanks, Niharika. Okay, guys. I'm gonna start with hey all the flipsters. Hey all the flipsters and clear trippers. Welcome to the BBD Entertainment Hour, the first day of the Big Billion Day celebration.
Correct.
Abhishek, Arpit, Jayant, Kumar, Manoranjan, Pradnya, right? Pradnya, Pratik. Abhishek, Arpit, Jayant, Kumar, Pradnya, Pratik, Priyam, Riddhi, Vadakattu. Is that right? Vadakattu?
Yes, correct. That is correct.
Ambika, Priyam, Riddhi, Vadakattu, Ambika. Oh, so there are few people only which are on repeat.
Yeah, like Ambika might be on repeat.
A lot of them are on
also
repeat.
Shubham,
So now, मैंने देखा नहीं था. I mean, I know it's a very late, last minute thing, but I'm just thinking out loud. क्योंकि considering बहुत सारे लोग repeat ही है. इनफैक्ट वो जो 10 लोगों का फ्रेम है
Yeah.
वो मेन 10 लोग ही है जो रिपीट हो रहे हैं ना आगे पीछे.
Correct. Yes, correct. So that's broken down into 3 acts, 4, 4 and 2.
तो मैं just ऐसे ही सोच रही हूँ, should we keep all 10 of them live all the time?
But will you be interacting with them all the time? I mean,
No, then what we'll do, अगर 10 के 10 एक साथ है ना, so I'll pick up one person, I'll be like, hey Abhishek, इसमें क्या होगा पता है, why will it be better, I'll tell you. यूजुअली मेरे शोज में लगता है कि मैंने लोगों से पहले से बात करके रखी और सेटअप करके रखा है. तो इसमें ऐसा होगा कि मैं बुलाऊंगी तो लोगों को पता है, इसको पता है कौन आने वाला है, इसको पता है ये किससे बात करने वाली, इसने शायद पहले से स्टडी करके रखा होगा, इनको सोशल मीडिया पे सर्च करके रखा होगा, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट इफ यू हैव ऑल 10 टुगेदर, द बेनिफिट इज मैं पहले अभिषेक को चूज कर लूंगी and I'll say, Abhishek, now that you've already been a part of this act, I want you to choose the next volunteer from the 10 people on screen. Then whoever gets chosen next, I'll tell that person, now you choose, now you choose, now you choose. And I will interact with, I'll keep interacting with 10 people. Unke expressions dikhte rahenge. It'll be fun. What do you think?
honestly, if you're comfortable with it, I think that that'll be great if you're interacting with all 10 of them.
मतलब वो है ना, फिर मैं बोलती रहूंगी like, oh, I see, like, I'll make my interactions. And it is always, I suggest कि 10 on 10, 10 के 10 अगर स्क्रीन पे होंगे तो सही रहेगा. It'll be fun. Considering कि लोग रिपीट ही, मुझे लगा अगर अलग अलग हो रहे हो ना तो बात अलग थी. अगर सेम ही लोग हैं जो रिपीट हो रहे हैं, let's keep all 10 of them together on screen and let's keep interacting with them. Instead of me going out and saying, oh, for my next act, let me invite Jayant, Kumar, Pradnya, Pratik on stage. Then for my next act, this. Let's just have them on screen. I'm like, किसको choose करें next? चलो बताओ guys. अभिषेक आप ही बताओ किसको choose करना है. Who do you think?
So you're interacting,
Yeah. किसके माइंड में किसका ATM पिन जानना है आपको? You know, I can make a lot more interactions there.
I like the idea. Sid, if you're on call, what do you think?
No, the idea is nice. My only problem is what if we get 4 people?
हाँ तो फिर 4 people वही फ्रेम में होगा, बड़े फ्रेम में.
हाँ. No, so usually a lot of times I've done shows. Usually people are on frame. They, it's, if you want, you can pin their video.
So instead, then if 10 people are there, you'll put a 10 PIP, 10 plus Sohani ka PIP.
नहीं, I'll
Or you'll
put a
put all
big
10.
one, वो like a gallery view with Suhani.
See,
Correct.
we've not run
And in
client
case-
passes.
So that-
सुन ना एक बार
Gallery.
करके दिखा ना एक बार 10 का ग्रिड
Yeah,
जल्दी से.
yeah.
We have like 2-3 minutes.
Show me a gallery. Ah,
Then you
ऐसे
have
ही
to
करना
run
है.
it past the client
इतनी
also,
कर
Ensya,
सकते
because client has not seen all this. तो client को बुला के वो सब पूरा बताना हो कि we are changing the plan.
See,
इसमें
this
से
is how
मैं
it will
निकल
be
जाऊंगी
then.
मैं निकल जाऊंगी उसके
हाँ, या
frame में
आप
से.
नहीं होगे और सेंटर वाला नहीं होगा, right?
Correct.
now no
अब मैं
one's
क्या बोल
camera
रही
is
हूँ?
on, that's why.
Suppose they want like 4 people ना, तो just pin 2 people no from these. Just try pinning 2 people. Just pin me and the frame.
खाली 2 लोग करो इधर. Any two you take. अच्छा ऐसी है नहीं उसमें So the thing is, Suhani, अगर हम one and that big frame करते हैं, right? Then our issue is कि there'll be a lot of empty space in our creative also and how it's looking. And the thing is कि अभी what we've done is we've sort of given this entire act-wise breakup to the client also कि ऐसे break करेंगे हम उनको. So I think Suhani, we can't hear you. आप mute पे हो क्या?
Sorry, my bad. मैं कह रही हूँ कि थर्ड एक्ट में जब 10 लोग आ गए ना
हाँ,
फिर वही फ्रेम रखना फोर्थ एक्ट के लिए. Don't change
ठीक
it.
है. Okay, got it.
Okay, ठीक है, done. Cool.
I'll make sure I interact with more people.
Done.
Chalo guys, I'm off. Just pin Niharika. She'll let me know when I have to be back here.
Sure, thank you, Sohani. We'll do
Logged in हूँ मैं. I'm not going out.
that. Done. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
to start in another 5 minutes. But just before we start, I'd like to brief you all, give you a couple of pointers for the call, for the performance. So when Suhani goes live, right? She has 4 acts, and for each of these acts, she'll be interacting with each of y'all. So how we've sort of broken this down is for her act 1, she'll be calling in Sham and Arpit. So guys, I'd like you all to have your videos on and unmute yourself when you are talking to Suhani also. So we can
Yeah. Hi,
pin you
Sham and
guys.
Arpit. Can we have your videos on now so we can just pin you and do a test?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Just give us a moment. Can we pin it and check once? Tech team.
Sham और Arpit को pin करो.
We'll just do a quick tech check, guys. So Suhani will be in one frame and she will be interacting with the both of you. तो आपको
It's okay.
अपना audio. It's fine. Yes, sir?
Yes,
yeah.
am I audible? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, Arpit.
Okay.
You are. So what you see on top, the top screen, right? Just look at the pin the person called live preview. So that screen is your center screen. That's what the entire output would be. Okay. So what you see on your top image, that's where Suhani is going to be, and both of you all will be mapped in the bottom 2 squares. Right?
In this, do we have to do something?
No. So she will
Okay.
basically interact with you. She will she'll do her entire act with you guys, right? Now
What
once
is the
that is
surprise? What has to be
Yeah.
done? We can't reveal that to you. Okay, see, go on.
Okay. So that will be the first act. The second, we will be doing so we have Jayant also on call. Jayant, could you switch on your camera as well? And so Ambika, we will right now we have 2 more people. So Ambika and Jayant, we'll map act 2. So Niharika, for act 2, we'll have 2 people, not 4.
We need to put it in another thing.
Sure, Insha, we'll tell that to Niharika separately.
Okay.
Jayant sir, have you logged in from your phone?
Yes.
Okay. Is it possible to log in from your laptop? Because we have a horizontal landscape frame that we are
So
pinning.
even if you can
Alright.
turn your camera around, right?
Yeah, that
Landscape
also.
camera. Not,
Just in landscape mode if possible.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Jayant.
yeah, same frame. Jayant and Ambika.
Told us what to do
So-
yet, no? India?
3 frame.
We haven't. We just finished with the first 2. We let you know.
Okay.
We just wait for Jayant to set his frame up.
3 minutes, it's yeah. We need to stop in 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
3 का frame मिला है. So the second act, guys, we'll have Jayant and Ambika who will come in. First act is Arpit and Sham, right? And for the next 2 acts, so there are 4 acts in total. Act 3 and Act 4, we'll have all 4 of y'all on screen together with Suhani.
Okay.
So Ambika, this is how you and Jayant will come on screen. Suhani will be.
You want me to pin the live preview?
No, I can't spotlight it because that will also come in. So you'll have to pin that live preview.
Yeah. So I'll pin it.
Yeah. Okay, and now for Act 3 and 4, we'll have all 4 of y'all displayed with Suhani.
Got it.
So guys, we all need to ensure that for the first act, how it is going to happen is Suhani gets introduced and then only Suhani is on screen. She will give a quick introduction about her act and then she will invite Sham and Arpit, who are the first 2 people for the act. That is when Sham and Arpit, please ensure you unmute yourself while interacting with Suhani. And once your act is done, you please mute yourself back so she can move to the second act with Ambika and Jayant. And then when we go to the second act, Ambika and Jayant, once you see yourself on screen, please unmute yourself. You will be invited by Suhani itself on
Sure.
screen. She already has your names. And then the third and fourth, obviously all 4 of you are going to be there. So please unmute yourself while the act is going. So fourth is the main act. That's the finale act. So please stay back till then.
Got
Yeah. So total duration is going to be 45 minutes, guys. Every act we are looking at around 10 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And say anything else you want to add?
No, just mute yourselves, but unmute yourselves when Swani is interacting with you, so you can also converse with her. Just keep it in mind.
After the act is finished, can we switch our cameras off?
So actually, Arpit, you're there in the first act and the third and fourth one. So
Okay,
you might
cool.
need your camera on throughout the course of the play.
Oh, that's good.
We are just going live, guys. So I'm just gonna switch off. Can all of you all mute yourselves now? We're going live.
Just hold on, Jayant, sir. Let's wait for him to press his screen. So before we go live.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
BBD Entertainment Hour presents one of the biggest names in India magic today, a magician and a professional hypnotherapist, Suhani Shah.
Hello guys, what is up? Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi everybody. Hello all the flipsters and clear trippers. Welcome to the BBD Entertainment Hour. It's the first day of the Big Billion Day celebration. I'm super happy to be entertaining you, joining you in this hour on day one of the celebrations. Super excited to be reading your minds. So, as you guys know, my name is Suhani Shah. Some people call me a magician. Some people call me a mentalist. Some people call me a therapist, a psychic, a mind reader. You guys are free to call me whatever you want. But guys, my basic job is to hack into people's minds. And that is exactly what I'm going to try and do today with some of the people who have joined me. Let's call it a backstage this time, because it's like no stage over here, but the virtual world has become the new stage for us now. So, now I do a lot of things, okay? But instead of going and explaining to you guys कि मैं क्या करती हूँ, I think let's just jump into my first act, जो बहुत ही basic है, लेकिन एक example है कि आज का जो पूरा show है, उसमें क्या होने वाला है. So, to do my first act, can I call on screen? Can I call Abhishek and Arpit to join me on screen? So if Abhishek's not here, can I request Ambika and Arpit to join me on screen?
Hi, Swani.
Hi, I'm just going to wait for you guys to be visible on screen as well so that everybody else can also see you. I can definitely see you on the Zoom call. Hi, everybody can see you. So guys, we have Abhishek and Ambika. Guys, मैं कुछ भी करूं, हम act करें, उसके पहले let's just confirm for the audience. मेरे को खाली आपके नाम मिले थे, ठीक है? But we haven't met before, correct?
Yeah.
Ambika is too excited about it, too happy about it कि नहीं मैं तो नहीं मिली हूँ. हाँ Ambika ठीक है यार, मतलब it's okay. मतलब we haven't set anything up, मैंने कुछ बोल के नहीं रखा है आपको. It's like we're just like meeting for the first time and we're talking for the first time, correct?
Correct.
Great. So I'm gonna every magician and mostly जो जब भी आप magic की बात करते हो, most of the magicians they just come and bring out a deck of cards. ठीक है, मतलब for me it's like कि हर बार क्या है, जब भी मैजिक दिखाओ एक पत्ते आ जाते हैं, जब भी मैजिक दिखाओ पत्ते आ जाते हैं. I am today going to be here to prove you that जो हर magician पत्ते कार्ड ट्रिक दिखाता है is not always wrong, because I'm also going to do the same. So I have a deck of cards with me. Now, हम कुछ भी करो उसके पहले let me tell you, my fascination with deck of cards has started long time back, even before I started performing magic. ठीक है, I'll tell you why, because when I tell you, even you guys will be fascinated. It started when my grandfather associated a deck of cards with life. It's mind-blowing. You know how in cards we have 4 suits: hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades?
Correct.
Similarly, in life, in year, we have 4 seasons. Not just that. You know how we have 52 cards in the deck?
Correct.
Similarly, in a year, we have 52 weeks. I mean, there are many more correlations, which actually can be an entire live stream or a session just about how cards define our life or a year. But we'll not get into that. But it's a very fascinating thing. So even though I may not perform card tricks, or even though I may not perform close-up magic, I'll always carry a deck of cards. Also because I'm a Gujarati Marwadi, हम पत्ते कभी भी खेल सकते हैं. Simple. 5 मिनट बोर हो रहे, चल बांट ले पत्ते. It's like that for me. So here is a deck of cards. We're gonna start with Abhishek and Ambika, and आप दोनों को
I'm Arpit
मिलकर.
Swani.
Sorry,
Sorry to interrupt.
I mean I'm a mentalist, but name forgetting has nothing to do with mentalism. ठीक है? So I'm going to start with Ambika and Arpit. Very simple. What we're going to do is you both collectively are going to decide a card. Okay, one by one. So let's start with Arpit. Arpit, you have to tell me the suit and Ambika will tell me the value. Do you play cards, Arpit? अरे यार
Yeah,
रुक ना
sometimes.
यार, patience is virtue, रुक जा. ठीक है, you can still stick to spades, but let me inform you something before that, before you confirm. ठीक है, देख चार suits होते हैं ना, hearts, diamonds, clubs and spades. Hearts define love. ठीक है, diamonds, they speak about wealth and success. Clubs talk about fun and adventure. And then spades talks about authority and self confidence. कभी कभी narcissist भी हो जाता है वो, ठीक है, मतलब I'm not trying to influence you, I'm just telling you कि क्या होता है, ठीक है. It's your choice of what suit you want to choose. Before you give me a final answer, everybody make sure this deck doesn't go out of the frame, it stays here, ठीक है. चलो, Arpit, are you still sticking to spades or you're changing your mind? No judgments, हाँ, जो choose
I'll
करना है.
stick.
You stick to spades. ठीक है. He's like, मैं influence नहीं होने वाला सुहानी से. ठीक है अर्पित, ठीक है. Okay, so Arpit chooses spades. Now Ambika, जैसे ही अर्पित ने spade choose करा, from 52 cards we narrowed it down to 13 cards. अब spades में ना number cards होते हैं और picture cards होते हैं. So you tell me, are we choosing a number card or a picture card?
Number.
And what is the value? 7 is the most common card to choose. I'm just informing you, not that I want you to choose it or not want you to choose it.
8.
Okay. The moment I always say 7, people go like, what's the most uncommon? And they feel it 8 is the most uncommon number. And that actually makes it the most common number. It's just weird. So you both want to stick to your choices or change your mind at any point to tell me now.
Okay, I changed the number then to 2.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'd say you guys are not very supportive, I must say. Okay.
Suhani be like, I prepared for 8.
Sorry? You prepared for it. Damn. But okay, that's what I like to do the most. Chalo. So 2 of spades is what we are finalizing on.
Yeah.
Do you guys remember? You know, right? This deck has been here all the while before you even chose the card. It's not gone out of the frame. I'm going to open the deck, remove all the cards right now. Now, if you see in this deck, all cards are in one direction except for one and one card only. Arpit like, please nahi yaar, Swani, please nahi. That's Arpit's reaction right now. Please, Swani, I prepared for it. You know what, Ambika? You could have stuck to 8, but you did not. And I thank you for it. This is the 2 of spades. Thank you so much. Ambika, that expression speaks a lot for me. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. And this is the flip of our today's event. That only one card turns out flip, and that is the card that you guys chose for us. So thank you, Ambika. Thank you, Arpit. And this is just the warm up. I'm gonna keep calling you guys on the stage as I keep performing various acts. So ना Arpit backstage और prepare हो जा अभी तो कि मेरे को क्या क्या सुहानी से influence कैसे नहीं होना है. Okay, just prepare yourself backstage. I hope everybody joining us on the big Billion Day Entertainment Hour is enjoying themselves. Sit back, relax. This is a fun hour for each one of you joining today on the first day of the celebration. Now, guys, let me tell you something very interesting. अभी जो आपने देखा was a warm-up act. Just to tell you कि आज के show में क्या होने वाला है. There's going to be interaction. I'm going to call people on stage. I'm going to give them an illusion of free choice. उनको लगता है कि उनके पास free choice है, but do they really have one? That's what the entire show about. Before I move on to my next act, let me quickly tell you a little about me. So भाई मैंने I started my career at the age of 7. Like that's when I did my first ever big stage show. It's been many years that I have been performing, and I started as an illusionist. तो जैसे डांस में अलग अलग फॉर्म्स होते हैं ना, कुचिपुड़ी, सालसा, भरतनाट्यम, ऐसे वेरियस फॉर्म्स. Similarly, मैजिक भी पेरेंट कैटेगरी है और उसके अंदर there are many forms. So there is like illusions, escapology, blindfold, street magic, parlor magic, close-up artist, escape. So there are many. So I started my career as an illusionist. मतलब मेरा एक बड़ा stage show होता था. There were 2 trucks of goods, 30 people to assist me. Circus type format होता था. हम एक city में जाते थे. We would book an auditorium there. We would perform for a month. Sometimes 2 shows in a day, 3 shows in a day, and then go to another city. And Banjara ki taraf we used to keep traveling. Because of which I couldn't go to school. So I haven't been to school after standard 1. All my learnings have been through life. Now, the one thing that I got fascinated very early on, as I said, it was a deck of cards, and deck of cards also bring in a lot of numbers. You know, when you're playing cards, you calculate things in your head. So numbers had my fascination from the very start. And my show is always, whatever I perform, it's very close to me. And if numbers are close to me, I always think of combining the 2 of them and make an act around it. So for my next act, can I request Jayant, Kumar Manoranjan, Pradnya, and Pratik to join me? If people of these are unavailable, can I request Jayant, Pradnya, and then let's call Sham. Sham, you can join me. And Ambika, if you want to join me again, that'll be great. Arpit, I'm giving you time to prepare backstage. So as they join me right now, let me confirm a few things with everybody joining me here. That's my phone. Majorly, my phone, firstly, I've put on the flight mode. Okay? For everybody to see. मतलब इसके अंदर इंटरनेट का कोई काम है नहीं, लेकिन क्या हमारी ऑडियंस काफी स्केप्टिक रहती है. तो बिकॉज द ऑडियंस इज स्केप्टिक, सो वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सी कि मतलब आप ना सोचो कि यार ये इट्स कनेक्टेड हियर देयर. इट्स अ डब्बा राइट नाउ. It's on flight mode. All of these Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, I've kept it off. It's on flight mode. Clear? If you guys can't see it, I'm just going to reduce the brightness. Better? Maybe this is better. Okay. Now, so 3 people have joined me here.
Yes.
Making my screen bigger. So hi Jayant, hi Pradnya, and hi Sham. बहुत simple task है आप लोगों के लिए, ठीक है? Very very simple task for the 3 of you. Let's start with Jayant. Jayant. Okay, I'm just trying to avoid the disturbance that's coming in. No, I do not think that was the fan, but it's okay. Or maybe it was. Okay.
No, it's my room fan.
Okay. I'm so sorry, but आपको गर्मी में बैठना पड़ेगा बिना पंखे के for this act. But I'll make sure it is fast and you can put on the fan again. So Jayant, very simple task. Where are you joining us from?
I'm joining from Bangalore.
You are in Bangalore. Okay, Jayant,
Yep.
You know what you're going to do? I'm going to ask in a while, I'll count to 3, and as I count 3, you'll close your eyes. And then you'll think of some random numbers in your mind. I'll help you to think upon them. It'll be like 23, 41, 81, 43. ऐसे randomness में होगा वो. And once you have a number, we'll do it really fast. And the moment I tell you, give me a 2-digit number now. Like the moment you hear me say now, you'll open your eyes and out loud give me a 2-digit number. Simple.
Sure.
Clear?
Yes.
Jayant, 1, 2, 3. Please close your eyes. In your mind, go random numbers 5, 8, 1, 4, 3, 4, 23, 48, 41, 62, 95, 98, 43, 63, 41, 42, 45, 33, 26, 39, 44, 52, 69, 73, 84, 92. Jayant, can you give me a 2-digit number now?
46.
46.
Yeah.
Okay, you can open your eyes, Jayant. You can open your eyes. That's fine. So this is an absolute random number, or does 46 mean to you anything?
No, random number.
Random.
I was counting and randomly it stopped doing.
Randomly at 46. Great.
Yeah.
So we're going to put 46 plus, let's go to Pratnya. Jayant, can you put yourself on mute? Pratnya, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, I have.
Hi Pratnya, कहाँ से join कर रहे हो?
Mumbai से.
Mumbai से. Pratnya, same thing, but a little more connection to it. I want you to give me a number that means something to you.
Okay.
Again,
I guess
it needs to be a
six.
two.
2 digit. Okay.
No, it's okay. You want to
Okay.
give me 6? It is fine. We'll keep to 6. But it has to
Oh.
mean something to you. Do you want to tell us what does it mean to you?
Yeah, it is last number in my birth digit.
Last number in your birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to go with 6. You don't want to go with your entire birthday.
No.
Only 6. So we add 6 to this. Okay. Now let's go to Sham. Sham, I want you to give me, it could be 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. No, let's not keep it 5. It's 4 digit. Any it can be. Okay. You'll close your eyes. You'll take a deep breath. And the moment you open your eyes, you'll give me a 4 digit number. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath. 5138434613. It can be any. Open your eyes now. Give me a number.
5555.
We're gonna add 5555. Okay. Now, for the last number, I'm going to take one more number from 4 of you or 3 of you. All of you will give me one number. Okay? Jayant, give me a single digit number now. 2.
2.
Pratna, give me a single digit number now.
6.
6. Sham, give me a single digit number now.
7.
267. So we add 267. So all these numbers, for those who have calculators at home, you can also calculate with me. All these numbers are given by, I see Jayant already doing it. वो लिख रहा है साथ साथ में numbers. I am not going to miss this. I'm going to write each number. He's noting down each number, which is great. So all these numbers are given by you. For the last number, because everybody thinks कि मैं आपको influence कर रही हूँ, which I'm not. But for the last digit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add plus. I'm going to keep the phone like this. If you were over here, I would have asked you to just press random numbers. Okay, but now that you're not here, मैं ऐसे randomly कुछ numbers को ऐसे ही press कर रही हूँ. I don't know कितने press हो भी रहे. I don't know if it's actually clicking or not, but I'm just going random. Okay. We did get 5. Okay. This is absolute random. I did not see what numbers got pressed. So that is 25,147. I'm going to press is equal to, and we'll have a result. 31,021. Sham, Jayant, Pradnya. 31,021. Does this number make any like value to you? Is it important to you in any way?
For me, ending with 21 makes value. Like all my email IDs and all things ends with this.
All your email, it does, like the last 2 digits make sense to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Pradnya, for you, does it make any sense?
No.
Jayant, does it make any sense?
Maybe all the sum of the entire number 31021, it is indicating weeks of the days, days of the week, 7 days in a week. So maybe that sense.
Wow. You know what? Let me show you something. All the numbers were given by you. Correct? This phone has been here, did not go out of the frame. Behind the phone, I have stuck something. It's taped and taped and taped. Let me remove that. Okay, there are too many tapes to remove. And inside this paper, I have written something. How surprised would you be if you see the number in it? Let's check it out. I have written something inside, and that is 31021, ladies and gentlemen. But I asked you if it makes any sense to you. For some, it did in a parts, in bits and pieces. But you know what? This number is important to each one of us. Because today starts the big billion day. Today is the first day of celebration. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is today's date. It's 3rd October 2021. If I just divide it like this. It's 3rd of October 2021. And you guys got this number with your calculations. Just says how important and how connected each one of us are. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yep.
Remember this one. Thank you. So thank you, Sham. Thank you, Pradna. And thank you, Jayant, for helping me in this one. But I just love how this thing is going right now. I'm loving how everybody's getting so enthusiastic about it. So thank you so much for joining in. And as I said, today is a very special day. Today's date is special. Today's event is special because today starts, it's like fun days for you guys, man. Fun hours for you guys. At least 1 hour you have, which is an entertainment hour each day going on. हर दिन होने वाला है आपके लिए ये. Now, as I told you कि मैं 7 साल की थी जब मैंने perform करना शुरू करा and I couldn't go to school. But although I couldn't go to school, I did have a lot of fascination for books. So in my room, in my bedroom, I have like this really big shelf, which is filled with books for 2 reasons. One, it makes up for a very aesthetic background to my pictures. Second, although I do not read still, I won't lie, I still do not read a lot. I only skim through them. But I like to collect books. Like I see a good author, I see, oh, title is nice, oh, text is good. I will buy it. I may read or I may not. It's irrespective. I will buy books. So I'll have a great collection of books. How many of you are readers over here? Let's get everybody on screen. Let's get all 4 of you on screen. Sham, if you're still here, if you can put on your camera, I'd like to have you on the screen as well. In fact, as many people are on the call, if you want to put on your camera and join me, we're just going to talk right now. I'd love you guys to please join on screen. The more the people, the better. And can we have a frame where I can see all of them together? So I have had the fascination of books from my childhood. And again, the next time I'm going to do something with books. What I'm going to do is joining me on screen is Ambika, Pradnya, Arpit, Jayant, and Sham. Okay, with the show of hands, do you read books? Are you guys readers? Arpit is यहाँ पढ़ लेता हूँ, मतलब पढ़ी होगी तो क्या ही करूँगा? He's that. The magazine is also book only, no? Yeah, he's that straight right now. Okay, no problem. But here's what I want to ask you. If I give you 30 seconds, can you bring any book that's around you? Like it can be a book, it can be a newspaper, it can be a magazine. मतलब कुछ भी जिसमें बहुत सारा text लिखा हुआ हो. Can you just get something like that? Sham, do you have something around?
Yeah, I have my diary where I write about my to-do list.
Do you have what? Sorry, I didn't get that.
I have my diary where I.
You have your diary. I mean, do you want us to read your diary?
No, it's a to-do list only, like work sheet.
Okay, no personal diaries, but if there's a newspaper or book, that'll be great. Ambika, do you have something handy?
No, I just an article on the phone.
Okay, work. Just reduce the brightness. So if I ask you to show it on the camera, I can read it. The power of positive thinking. Okay, Arpit gets the power of positive thinking. Jen, do you have a book around or a magazine or anything, literature, anything?
I only have my dad's bill book.
Okay. Does it have a text written in it that I can pick up words from?
Yes.
Great. So now considering Sham, okay, let me do this act with Sham because all of you do have a book. Now, here is what we are going to do. I do not have any problem. Is bar sara magic aap log karenge. It's going to happen with you guys and by you guys. Okay? Very, very important. You guys pay attention. Especially Sham. Sham, here is what you have to do. On my count of 3, you will take a deep breath and you will sit back and relax. That's all. As Sham does that, the 4 of other remaining ones, I want you to pick up the book that you have in your hand or the phone or whatever literature, and you'll open the book to any random page and you'll show it to the camera. because I'm on a Zoom call with you, I'm going to pin you and so that I can see the book clearly. Sham, I am going to read out some words from their books. Okay. I'm going to try and find most positive, happy words from the power of positive thinking. Okay. So I'm going to find some nice, happy words. And what you have to do is you have to remember and you have to select and remember any one word from those words. Okay. Now, the moment you choose a word, don't smile. Don't be like, acha, ye, this is going to be my word. And if you do smile at one word, make sure you smile at others also. Basically, with the expressions, we shouldn't get to know, oh, he chose the word now. You get the idea, right?
Right.
Okay. Simple. Okay. So that's all you have to do. And then I'll ask you to open your eyes. They'll close their books. I will not take the obvious words. Now that you've read The Power of Positive Thinking, I will not take those words. Okay. Like I'll take words from paragraphs, I'll not take titles and all that. So simple. So, Sham,
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I want you to take a nice, long, deep breath. Sit back, relax, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Everybody else, can I see your books? I'm going to pin you guys so that I can see you larger. I wanted to select all nice and positive words. And the first word I see is lonely. Okay, Jayant, you can't show me a bill, yeah. Come on, show me something else. Okay, you can also open a thing from the phone. That'll be fine. So first word is lonely. Second word from Arpit's book is happiness. Third word, rational. Next I have manipulate. Yeah, Jen, that's nice. Frustrated. I don't know why I'm seeing such words. I want to see happy words. But okay, frustrated. Can you all change the page? Random page. Any other page, guys. Any other page. Come on. Because it's also very blurry. Whatever I'm catching, I'm taking up soon. Argument. Jen, get it closer, please. Strap. Stranger. That's stranger. Yeah. Observant. Conversation. Okay, Sham, have you chosen a word? Because it's very difficult. It's all too blurry for me to always check.
Can I open my eyes?
Sorry?
Can I open my eyes?
Okay, I'm going to give you one last word. Personality. And that was from Arpit's book. Okay, you can open your eyes.
Yeah.
Have you chosen a word in your mind from the words I
Yeah.
said? Okay, great.
Yeah.
Perfect. Guys, you can close your book. Put them away. Done. Now, Sham, do you watch movies?
Yeah.
What's your favorite movie? Like a movie you can watch over and over again.
Like recent one I watched over and so it was Drishyam.
Drishyam.
Drishyam 1 and Drishyam 2. Yeah.
1 and 2, dono.
Like second in Malayalam.
Okay.
Subtitles also.
Drishyam is your favorite movie that you can watch over and over again. So here's what I want you to do. Imagine this, that you are in a theater.
Okay.
What you are trying to do is you have booked the entire auditorium for you and your
Okay.
friends
Okay.
to watch Drishyam. Okay. Your friends are yet to come. So you're alone in an auditorium. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You're sitting in an auditorium all alone, waiting for your friends to arrive. See yourself sitting on that chair. He visualizes himself right in the center. Okay. Now, before the movie starts, you know how, guys, pata na wo kitne, like, you get ads and all those things coming up. So before the movie starts, Sham, this word that you selected from their book, this word is flashing on the main screen. Okay, it's
Okay.
becoming big and small. It's written beautifully, different colors. It's animated. You can see each letter clearly. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep thinking of this and see each letter very, very clearly. I'm going to pin you for myself. Oh, I can't. 1 second. Yeah. I want you to see each letter very, very clearly. I'm going to start with something easy for me. I see the letter A. Correct?
Yeah.
So what you're going to do now is remove the letter A and check other letters, like see other letters, visualize the other letters other than A. I'm going to take a consonant now. So look at a consonant, not a vowel. I see a tall letter, like a. Is that T?
Yeah. It is.
Correct. Perfect. We're doing really well right now. We got an A, we got a T. Let's remove A and T from this word and check other letters. Let's make it easy. Let's go to another vowel. So E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, 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 E. I see E there.
No. No.
There's no E.
No.
There's no E in the middle. Like
No.
the fifth letter. But it's a vowel. Oh, that's O. Sorry. That can be O.
Yeah. Correct.
Correct. Sorry. My bad. My bad. I'm giving a sign like this, but I'm saying E. I don't know why. But that's O. Correct?
Yeah.
So remove. Okay. I'm not going to stretch this further. Count the number of letters in this word. Do not tell me. Oh, it's a long word. 7, 8 letters. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Sham, can you open your eyes, please? Put you on gallery view. Sham, first tell me, is it any way possible I can know this word?
No. No,
But you do know that I do know it.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, sometimes irrational things happen, Sham. Are you thinking of the word
Yeah.
rational?
Yeah.
That is
Exactly.
rational, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Amazing.
much. Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you. Lovely. Lovely. You guys
That's
are
good.
amazing. I like, you know, I must tell you, Sham was visualizing it so well with like proper colors and he was very dedicated. Usually when I do shows like this, people are not that focused, you know, they are like, हाँ कर रहे हैं ना, सोच लेंगे. He was like really good. So thank you, Sham, for being so good in doing this act. Thank you. And with this, you know, act again, I want to talk to you guys. Let me also talk to you guys and know you guys a little better. Okay. Before we get into this, you see, guys, from the start of my show, this packet has been here. This packet has been here from the start, and it's like sealed. It's like taped and sealed over here. Now, there's also a key that I've kept over here. If you guys can see, that's the key. So, before every show of mine, I usually join in like 10-15 minutes before my performance, and I keep my camera off. I just sit on my chair and I take a piece of paper and I start writing random things that come to my mind. It can be anything. It is random. But when I'm writing it, sometimes it doesn't, not sometimes, most of the times, it doesn't even make sense to me of what I'm writing. But I do it before every show of mine. And as the routine, I did it before this show as well. I took up a piece of paper, I wrote down random things, I folded the paper, I keep it extremely like with great security. I put it in a box, I locked the box, I kept the key out, I put the box inside a packet, I taped the packet, kept it here. So what is it that I wrote down on the piece of paper today? We'll get to know in the end. So right now, let me just talk to you guys. Okay. So let me talk to Pradnya. Pradnya, hi. Can you unmute yourself? Pradnya, where are you joining me from?
Mumbai.
You are in Mumbai. Fantastic. in here together.
Mhm.
Okay, Pragnam, I'm assuming that because it's a lockdown, because there's a pandemic, this event is happening virtually. But imagine, like, give a treat to your imagination. If this event were to happen in person, like live on ground, and you were to decide that where would this event be conducted, it could have been in any part of the world. You get a free trip to that place, 7 days ka holiday, all expenses, like kharcha sab mera. No, Pratnya, don't be so happy. It's not happening. It's in your mind. Okay? But agar aisa ho jaye, if that happens,
Hmm.
where would you want this event to be? It can be anywhere. Paris, Ibiza, Amsterdam, New York, London, Goa, Bhatinda, I don't know, just anywhere. Where would you want it to happen?
I would like to happen in Northeast India. Any state would be fine.
Wow, I have never got that answer, and I'm so happy you say that. Are you sure you wanted to happen in Northeast India? Like it could be
Yes.
anywhere.
Yes, absolutely.
It could be in China.
Yeah. Okay.
But you wanted in Northeast Asia. Are you sure?
Yes, 100%.
You want to tell me the place where in Northeast Asia, India?
I would say Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. So you wanted to happen in Arunachal Pradesh. That's the state you select. Okay. Sorry, Pradnya. Sorry, Pratnya. Who do you want me to talk to next? There are 4 more people with you. Who should I talk to next?
Arpit.
Arpit. Arpit,
Swani.
अच्छा सवाल है मेरे पास तेरे लिए. Arpit, imagine. I think it was March when the lockdown was announced. ठीक है? Last year March. Somehow, hypothetical situation that before the lockdown was announced, you got a call that, hey buddy, there's going to be a lockdown. Okay. And you will not be able to move out of your house for like next 9 months minimum. But you have a wish that you can spend this lockdown with one person, but one person only. Okay. But the point is, this one person can be anybody in the world. Now I'm repeating this. You have to spend next 9 months with one person only. But this one person can be anybody in the world. It could be Brad Pitt. It could be Katrina Kaif. It could be Narendra Modi himself. Your wish. Who would you like to spend your lockdown with? Imagine you have to be with this person for 9 months, okay? Don't give me your immediate family members, ठीक है? Boring मत करना इसको.
Okay. I thought about my mother because we need food in the 9 months.
कैसा है ये? चल free food supply दे देंगे तेरे को हम. Give me like a popular name, like everybody would know about this person.
Okay.
Like this is your opportunity to spend time with a celebrity. Why would you not take that advantage?
With you.
I think I oversaid it. Oversold the entire thing, guys. Consent का कोई value नहीं है. Okay, fine. Okay, so you want to spend the lockdown 9 months. I'm going to read your mind. Arpit, you'll go mad with me, just letting you know. I won't let you talk. You look at me, I'm like, no. You look at me like, मेरे को भी भूख लगी है, you know. I'll be like that. ठीक है. So you would like to spend your time with Suhani. That's me. Sorry. Okay, great. So now, Arpit, who am I talking to next?
Jayant.
Hi, Jayant.
Hi.
Jayant, we are going to make this super duper interesting.
Sure.
Okay? Now, you are going to, I'm not going to ask you the question. Sham is going to ask you a question. Okay? Sham, don't ask him trivia. Don't ask him India ka president kaun hai. Ask him something personal, something you think nobody can know. Like I would not know. Like something about his favorites, something about childhood, college, family, people, favorite things, activities he likes to do, something he likes to eat. I don't know. Any interesting question that comes to your mind you want to know about Jayant? कौन सी company का fan है? I don't know.
So, the favorite place you visited in the last 2 years?
It is
No, I couldn't get that. What's the question? What's your favorite?
Place that you visited.
favorite place visited in the last 2 years.
Lockdown में what are we visiting any which ways? But
In the
okay.
last 2 years,
In the
extended.
last 2 years, we all have visited our home and our bathrooms. At least that's what's been for me. But okay, Jayant, you can tell me favorite place that you've traveled to.
So it is Leh. So that was the place which I visited. Yeah, Leh.
Jayant, you're just making us feel
Yes,
jealous. You know that, right?
Yes, I know.
That's jealousy max.
That will make me more jealous, you know. That was the last place I visited when I was bachelor. Post that I got married and now wherever I'm going, it is to my. So that was the interesting place. It was with my friend. It was a road trip. We had it for 16 days. It was an unplanned one. So we started from our home. That's it. We had a flight ticket. And everything we randomly decided. And that is how we made Mungu. And we are still counting on it. So maybe by next year we are planning to do it again with our family this time.
Wow. So you पूरा trip हो गया इनका पता है. I mean, for me, you know, for me, Leh Ladakh is like next Goa. Trip cancel ही होता है. कितना भी plan कर दो, it gets cancelled only. So that's Leh Ladakh for me. And my sad part is कि Leh Ladakh में कोई corporate event show भी नहीं करता अपना. Like so कोई corporate अपना show भी नहीं करता that I would get to go there just to perform a show. Nobody, that never happens. But okay, so that's Leh for Jayant. Now.
Yep.
Okay, let's take one more. I'm liking this. I'm liking the conversation. So let's take one more. Let's go to okay. Sham, we haven't asked you a question. I want you, Sham, to think of somebody special in your life. Okay. This could be a childhood friend. Don't think of immediate family members. It's very easy to predict. But it could be a childhood friend, a college professor, a stranger you met who influenced your life. It could be somebody who has an impact on your life. Do you have anybody like that coming to your mind?
Yeah, my childhood friend. His name is Aditya.
Aditya, your childhood friend. Are you in touch with Aditya?
Yeah, I'm in touch.
Like, how often do you guys talk?
Yeah, every week. Like
Oh,
on
that's very
WhatsApp,
interesting.
at least we are in touch.
And are you like school friends?
Yeah, school friends.
You know, this is one thing I love about school. Like, I haven't been to school, college, so but there's nothing I miss much other than this particular bit, because every time I've done a digital show, 95% of times when I've asked this question of think of somebody special to you, people have given me their childhood friend's name coming from school. And I feel like that is insanely cool. We grow up, we do so many things. We would have, you know, been in completely different fields, but we still remember our childhood friends and we are so close to them. In fact, an interesting thing is a lot of times people remember the school teachers, you know, and if I ask them, okay, can you give me the name of the teacher? They'll still tell me like Radhika ma'am. I'm like, you're a doctor now. If MBBS, you have become an engineer, you are leading this company, but we'll still call that teacher ma'am even today, you know, and that's such a cute thing to happen. That's like the most initial conditioning of our life. But anyway, okay, this is a very interesting chat with all of you. I hope everybody remembers your answers because that's the important bit right now. This packet, as I said, has been here from the start. Let's check what is it that I have written inside this. Not written, but what is I have written and kept inside the box. Where is it? That's the box. Okay, this is a oh, already open, but okay. So this is a box, this wooden box given to me by my nanny. Technically, I had the key to it, but probably it has opened up on its own. Or maybe I didn't lock it properly before closing it, which is okay. I'm going to open it now. I wish there was like a suspense music being played over here. मजा ही आ जाती. But it's okay. I'm gonna open this up. Ding. Ding. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Da-da-da-da. Inside the box is a paper. Now, inside the paper, let's check what have I written. Flipkart. Yay! BBD celebration. The first thing that I've written. Are you guys ready to see what is it? The first thing I've written in this paper is the power of positive thinking.
Oh, his book.
No.
The book that Arpit got when I asked him to get any book. Arpit, I want to know, did you have any other book over there?
I had a lot.
You had a lot, yet you picked up this book.
Yeah.
Well, I just wrote the power of positive thinking. I actually didn't think it could be a book. I thought it could be anything. Okay. What's the next thing I've written? Can you guess what could be the next thing?
I don't know actually.
Sorry?
I don't know
No,
actually
none
what
of
it
that.
is.
Pradnya, there were many movies you could have said.
It was.
You said the one movie. No, not Pradnya. Sham.
Yeah.
You could. I asked you which is the one movie you can watch and repeat. You could have said any movie. You said Drishyam.
Yeah.
1 and 2, in fact, which is okay. What's the next thing? The most surprising answer for me. You could have said Paris. You could have said Ibiza. This event could have happened in any part of the world. You said Arunachal Pradesh. I know you said East India, but I did want a place, and that's why I insisted. What will be that place? And you could have said Sikkim. You could have said Odisha. No, Odisha is not, but it's okay. You could have said anything, but you said this. And last, but not the least, are you guys ready? अर्पित यार किसी का भी नाम ले लेता ना मेरा नाम क्यों लिया सुहानी शाह and Lay.
Oh.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. In fact, Sham, that question wasn't even asked by me to Jayant of your favorite tip. The question was asked by Sham, answered by Jayant. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you guys had a great time. Oh, wait. How could we forget? How could we forget Sham's childhood friend, Aditya?
Oh my god. Surprising.
Oh my god.
So you picked all the answers from us.
Wow.
Oh. It's like mind
Thank
getting-
you so much. Thank you, Sham. Thank you, Ambika, Pradnya, Arpit, and Jayant for joining me for this event today. I hope you guys had a good time. And thank you, everybody, for having me for the Big Billion Day celebration, day 1. This is just the beginning. And imagine if the beginning surprises you so much, imagine what all is going to come in the remaining days for you guys. So I hope you guys had a good time out there, people who joined me backstage and every one of you watching it out there. I am Suhani Shah and I wish all of you many more magical moments in your life. Thank you. Namaste. Bye-bye. Thanks, guys.
You're terrific, Swani.
Thanks,
My
Arpit.
God, that was so awesome.
Oh,
That
it's
ये
my
सब अभी बोल
mind
रहे हो
is
ये उधर क्यों नहीं बोला ये सब उधर बोलने का होता है ना
I think I was a little bit in shock.
ये वो expression से समझ जाएगी
Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. I'm
मेरे
just
पास
kidding.
तो ये
Nobody
word
say
नहीं आ
यार
रहा,
मैं
my mind